Welcome back to the channel, and welcome if you are new. I am so glad that you decide to stop by. In today's video, I will be sharing with you this is the third video to my traditional fall decorating series, because I keep talking about it. You know that I did the the shades of blue for early fall. And since we are in the first week of October, I decided to change up the look, to do a quick little refresh. And doing that refresh, I used the colors burnt orange. It's one of my favorite fall colors. So that's what this video is today. I am going to show you my entryway, nice and simple, and I want to show you my powder room. So if you like this video, please like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you could be notified every time I upload. Now let's get right into it, you guys. Toodles!
Hey best friend, welcome back to another jam-packed motivational video. Your support is greatly appreciated. To all of my new friends that are here for the first or second time, welcome back. I hope that you get motivated and or inspired by today's video, that you will subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload.
Best friend, I am pretty much finished in here. The only thing that I need to do is light the candles, right? And also lay down the rugs in the bathroom. That is all that I have to do for in here. And I also wanted to show you the rugs that I am using, because I didn't haul it. So I did get this rug here from Hobby Lobby, and I put this under it so it won't slide. And I am also going to layer it with this. Okay? And once I do that, I can give you a tour of the space. But before I show you the room, I also want to show you what I use in my bathrooms to keep my bathroom smelling good. If you are new here, hello. In this home, I have 3 bathrooms, and in each one of the bathrooms, I make these things, and I've done it on my channel before, but I also want to show you guys again, just in case you don't know. I make these things, and I call them toilet bombs, and I want to show you how I make them. So let's jump right into that. Best friend, let's get started. These are the things that we need, right? And a bowl. So you're gonna need the silicone tray from Amazon. You're gonna need citrus acid. You're gonna need baking soda, your choice of oil, and a bowl, right? So I am just going to pour some baking soda in here. Most of the time, people measure it, but girl, I ain't did no measuring. I am going to use some citric acid. Now I am going to use a teaspoon of the citric acid. That's what's gonna give it that sizzling part. And I don't know all the right terms. You guys can Google it, but I'm gonna just show you what I do. I use maybe a cup of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of citric acid. Okay. Then I use some drops, maybe 10 drops or so with the oil. It's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 drops of the oil. And then I just get to mixing. And you want to get like a sand-like consistency. And I just basically keep dropping the oil in it until it gets like a paste like. So y'all, I forgot to mention, add you also some Dawn dish soap. And this is the consistency that you want. You want it to be almost like a paste like real pasty like. Y'all see that? And I'm going to add just a little bit more in here to give it like a pasty like. And if you look, if you can't feel it, but it feels almost like a pasty, what is that? A pasty sand or something like that. It's real, I don't know, clumpy, and I don't know. I don't know the words for it. But I had to remember, and I was thinking, I said, wait a minute, I'm still missing something. And I'm going to keep on mixing. And it smells so good, y'all. So good. And it's going to harden. Y'all see that? It's going to harden up. So I'm going to let it sit for a couple of hours. And I'm going to let it harden up. And I'm going to keep on mixing until I kind of get it all together. And then I'm going to move over. And I'm going to put it in this tray here. Like so. I was thinking as I was doing it, and I was telling my granddaughter, by the way, she's sick again, y'all. She was sick this time really bad. I ain't make her no soup this time though. Nanny. I ain't get no soup this time, y'all. All right. So I didn't make a whole lot. Not the soup. I'm talking about this, y'all. Okay, y'all can see it. How I'm putting it in here. Let me turn it this way, because I'm going to bring it over a little bit here. All right, so now we're going to let that sit for a couple of hours, and I'll be back.
Okay, so it's all done. It's 2 hours later. So this is the container that I want to use. And now this is, well, that one broke up at the bottom, so I want to show you that one and that one. And then I'm gonna also put some in the other bathrooms, so y'all see. And then we're gonna go, let me see if I can close it up. All right, so that's that. And then let me bring y'all in the bathroom to show y'all what it looks like. Let's go and put this in the bathroom. All right. After a while, you guys, you just kind of let it dissolve, and then you can clean your toilet or you can just flush it. So in my case, I am going to clean the toilet, but I let it completely dissolve. And if you can see it, it's dissolving and it smells so good. Take the rest of them and I put a few in each bathroom. Like I'll put maybe 6 of these upstairs and maybe 6 of them downstairs. That's it. Best friend, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe. Let's jump into the tour.